Sunday, February 9th, 2020 is National Pizza Day. Celebrate National Pizza Day with a Crawfish Calzone. What you're gonna need? 2 tablespoons of canola, olive or vegetable oil, 1 medium white onion, half green bell pepper, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 pound of Louisiana crawfish tails, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 pint of half and half, 2 tablespoons of Creole seasonings, 1 cup of mozzarella and provolone cheese shredded, half cup of Parmesan cheese grated, 3 tablespoons of green onions chopped, and some pizza dough. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, go ahead and stir in your onions and bell pepper and saute until the onions are translucent. Probably 10 to 15 minutes. Stirring your onions and bell peppers so you don't burn the mix. Step 3, go ahead and add your garlic. Smell that aroma? Go ahead and throw your crawfish tails in there too. Stir that up. Being careful not to burn your mixture. You don't want to burn any of the stuff. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Then add your green onions and fresh chopped parsley. Simmer that for a couple more minutes. Then add your flour to the pan, stir it up, cook it for about 2 more minutes. You want to scrape the bottom of the pan with all that crusty, burnt, good flavor. Go ahead and scrape that from the bottom of the pan. Next, add your half and half Creole seasonings. Reduce the heat to medium and stir until the mixture thickens, probably about 2 more minutes. Then add the cheese. Set your mixture aside and let it chill while you make the pizza dough. Go ahead and lightly flour your work surface. Stretch the dough to about a 12-inch circle. Go ahead and spoon the chilled crawfish mixture onto one side of the dough, leaving a 1/2-inch border all around the edge. Fold the dough in half and pinch the edges to seal the dough. Moisten the edge of the dough with water if needed to help seal the calzone. And man, this thing is freaking huge. Place on a baking sheet and brush it with olive oil. Bake until the crust is golden brown and firm, about 15 to 20 minutes.
Holy. Wow.
Happy Happy National Pizza Day. Enjoy.